Hi guys, it's G again, and I just wanted to make a video about Golden State Warriors, end of an era. Hindi ko alam kung late na pa ako for posting this video, pero I just wanted to show my thoughts and feelings about Golden State. Well, akala kong una, joke lang yun about mga tao nagpo-post na si Klay Thompson daw is magre-resign na sa Golden State. I mean, iti-trade or the-transfer na siya sa ibang team which is Dallas Mavericks. Tapos, nung mapanood ko tong video na 'to at nakita ko na nag-sign na si Klay Thompson ng 3 years contract sa Dallas Mavericks at hawak mo na yung 11 jersey niya sa Dallas Mavericks which is color blue. If you still remember, Klay Thompson was actually drafted back in 2011. And merong interviewer na nag-ask sa kanya kung excited na ba daw siya makalaro sa Stephen Curry. At ang sabi niya, he was so excited and he cannot wait for that moment. Steph and Klay Thompson worked together for about 13 years. Steph and Klay Thompson worked together for about 13. Kaya ang tawag sa kanila ng ibang mga tao ay kinoconsider silang Splash Brother. After anong pumutok ng balitang iti-trade na si Klay Thompson sa Dallas Mavericks at mag-sign na siya ng 3 years contract, alam niyo ba, Stephen Curry posted to his Instagram and he post on his story. Ito yung mga post ni Stephen Curry sa kanya IG story, which is shows how grateful and thankful he is for Klay Thompson for having him in his life. At meron din siyang message. At alam niyo ba, one time, this Olympics 2024 is kasama si Stephen Curry sa mga players sa Team USA. And during an interview, he was asked by an interviewer kung ano ba yung mas awkward. Kung kasama ba din si LeBron or not playing with Klay Thompson. At ang sagot ni Stephen Curry, not playing with Klay Thompson. Not playing with Klay Thompson as a teammate. Alam niyo, ipapapanood itong video na to. Ipapapanood niyo yung interview na yan ni Curry. Makisigin niyo yung sakit na nararamdaman ni Curry. Parang stress siya. Parang mararamdaman mo yung pain the way he delivers the message. Well guys, in your opinion, it is really end of an era na ba talaga? Or may chance pa si Curry and the rest Golden State Warriors fans na manalo pa ng isa pang ring without Klay Thompson?